Local news for Tuesday the 21st of August. Monday morning saw commuter chaos in the region with the 620 train having a mechanical fault which resulted in reduced seating. It then left the station 35 minutes late, delaying the 647 which was also nearly 3/4 of an hour late leaving. And Rimutaka Hill was down to one lane after a car and truck collided on the Hutt side, causing delays. Wellington District Commander and Superintendent Sam Hoyle has welcomed 101 new officers to the Wellington District by Police Commissioner Mike Bush. The new staff were allocated as part of the 1,800 additional police officers funded through $298.8 million in a budget increase in 2018. That built on an increase from the previous year. Wairarapa is part, of course, of the Wellington District. And in sports, the Matthews girls hockey are through to the girls' final after beating Waikol 2-1 last Friday night. And a loss for Wairarapa United 2-1 on the weekend against Napier City Rovers, but the women had a stunning victory over Palmerston North Marist, winning 5-0.